Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your Kovo vocal exercise routine of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I am the founder of Kovo, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. At Kovo this month, our routines are exploring musicality and phrasing, those expressive skills that help a singer shape a musical line with intention. These skills depend on both technical coordination and artistic awareness. Today, we are turning our attention to musical articulations, the specific ways that notes begin and connect to one another. I think of musical articulations as how we get from point A to point B, or note A to note B, as the case may be. And in our very first exercise, we're going to compare 3 different musical articulations: staccato, glissando, and legato. If you think of each one as a different way of getting from musical point A to point B, well, staccato is like hopping, glissando is like slithering, and legato is like gliding. So we're going to look at each one on its own and then compare and contrast them. So you notice we're going to sing this pattern on the vowels U, I, A, just like the vowels in my name, Julia, repeated twice. And we're going to start with staccato. That is a short, separated articulation. The gesture should feel very light and precise, like you are just touching the edges of the vocal cords together, and then they release cleanly between notes. Top line only. Next, we'll try glissando. This is the second line down. In a glissando, we connect 2 pitches with a continuous slide rather than stepping cleanly from one note to the next. The vocal cords stay closed and vibrating the entire time while they change pitch continuously, as if you are letting the voice travel smoothly through all the in-between notes as one unbroken gesture, like this. Okay, try that with me. finally, we will try legato. In legato singing, like in glissando, each pitch connects to the next without gaps or breaks in the sound, but we are not now sliding through the intervening pitches. We are going to place each note cleanly and smoothly in the vocal line while keeping our tone, our airflow, our resonance continuous throughout the whole figure. Now, let's try some combinations. Let's first do a staccato legato pair, so one repetition of each. Top line first, third line second. Now on our way down, let's try glissando and then legato. Last two. Let's try all three in order. Line 1, line 2, and then line 3. Here we go. By any chance, did you notice any difference in your final legato after singing staccato or after singing glissando? They can sometimes have an effect on one another. Our second exercise focuses on the musical articulation called tenuto. This is from the Italian verb tenere, meaning to hold. In musical notation, a tenuto mark appears as a small horizontal line above or below a note, and it signals that the note should be not just given its full value, but also with a gentle sense of sustain or a little subtle emphasis. So vocally, we achieve tenuto by allowing this slight lean into the sound, almost like you were underlining the note or lingering for just an extra split second. Our pitch pattern is just a descending scale in couplets that have some of them, these tenuto marks over them. And the lyrics of this exercise highlight what we want to do vocally. Let's give it a try. Linger, gently linger on the exercise to warm up our low notes. So we're going to turn this exercise around already. And if and when it gets too low for you, you can just leave off some of the bottom notes. And that was Tenuto. In our third and final exercise, we will warm up the upper range a little bit while practicing Portamento, a smooth vocal slide from one note to the next. This is a historical exercise of a type that was typically found in 19th century vocal exercise books. These books often begin with portamento exercises, which seem to have been considered sort of training wheels for legato. You had to master this slide, which was audible before you could achieve that slide, which was more invisible. That's legato. So both portamento and glissando are sliding articulations, but they are not the same. In Portamento, the slide does not start immediately. You actually stay on the first pitch and then you make a quicker slide to the next pitch right before the pitch change, almost like an anticipation. And we're going to do descending portamento in this exercise as well. So as we practice these slightly delayed, expressive, elegant slides called portamento, we're going to aim to keep the sound supported and continuous throughout. You can sing this on A and O as recommended here, but also feel free to use any other vowels or syllable of your choice. Let's do one or two back down. that one is not easy. So I encourage you to use this exercise routine in the coming week to help you practice your vocal articulations while you also warm up your voice. If you've enjoyed this exercise routine, we have got more for you. Every week we host 2 30-minute live vocal workouts on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Thursday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any new KOVO warm-up routine videos, you can subscribe to our channel to see each new routine when it posts, or use the link in the description below to get each new routine delivered directly to your email inbox. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at KOVO, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.